In this video, I will show you how to deposit money to your Bitvavo account. This is a very easy and straightforward process which can be done both from the Bitvavo mobile app as well as from the desktop version. First of all, I want to say, if you want to get started with Bitvavo, make sure to check out the link in the description down below to get the best fees as possible. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we need to tap on this deposit button. And once you tap on that button, you will see this screen. So you can fill in, you can either select Euro or crypto. Let's select Euro in this case, and we see our available balance right now. But if you want to add money to that balance, or so to my Bitvavo account, I can just fill in this amount, or let's say 10 euros, and then tap on select payment method. Then I just need to select a payment method, of course. I can also select more payment methods, as you can see. So be very sure at the fee. So in this case, I have no fees, 2% fee, 1%. So make sure you read through those. Ideal is for the people in the Netherlands, very good option. So then you can just select Ideal, and then you select your bank. There are a lot of banks available. And then what you need to do is you need to pay using your phone. Just scan the QR code, and then you can basically deposit the money to Bitvavo, and it will be there like in a few seconds. Basically, it will directly be there. For some payment methods, it can take a little bit longer, as you can see, within 3 days, instant. So it can take a little longer. You can also set, as you can see, recurring bank transfers. So they will automatically add money towards your Bitvavo account, which is cool. But it's very easy, very straightforward, and very simple. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and remember to use the link in the description below to get started with Bitvavo. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.